Can Kerry maintain this unbeaten run that they've been on these last few weeks, or are Dublin about to smash and grab and leave with the win? All will be revealed very shortly.
We're going to 3 weeks in a row now in the Alliance League games. I like to have everything ticked off, make sure your studs are tightened and make sure your gloves are right. Sometimes they'll have bits of niggles here and there in the legs, so a bit of front rolling can help loosen out. Especially for an evening game, it's nice to be able to touch and feel the ball and kind of mess around with it during the day, get a feel for it.
You wouldn't ever know that he would be going out to play a big match or anything.
Yeah, it's usually us that have the nerves. I feel like we take it all in and he's just cool, calm, collected, ready to go.
When you're playing inter-county, it can be a high pressure game. You need to be mentally strong, definitely, so I try and just keep positive thoughts. Simple things like, I'm fit, I'm healthy, I'm feeling strong, quick on my feet. Helps the mind, I suppose, to know that you're in the best place possible then for the game.
Well, some Alliance League matches need very little introduction. The oldest and the most magical rivalry of them all in Gaelic football.
You forget how big it is and how much it means to so many people. The atmosphere is charged.
The Dubs obviously travel very well and are very loud supporters, but the support we've gotten so far in the Alliance League has been brilliant.
I mean, anyone who's at Tralee today will be true Gaels, true GA fans, true football fans.
Well, it's a 12,000 sellout here at Austin Stack Park in Tralee. The game off to a pretty frantic, frenetic start. It's in keeping with the atmosphere as well. Raucous.
In big moments in games, if you can hear your own supporters, it can really drive you on. You're just running on the adrenaline, really. You have to have your gym work done over the winter and things can get rough and ready out there sometimes.
Dangerous ball, O'Connor's in after it, buried by Stephen O'Brien. Goal for Kerry, and now this game has been blown wide open.
Kind of trying to hold the shape a bit, I suppose, and make sure our defence isn't too spread out and we're well set up at the back when you have the ball to press on forward then as well.
Action, drama, excitement, and just like the old days, Kerry and Dublin bringing out the best in each other.
There's the final whistle, and it's been a fantastic performance by them.
Oh, the heart was racing, oh my heavens, yeah. I was afraid to believe that it might happen. It was great.
It's great for the supporters, obviously, to get a big win in a game like that because it gives them great encouragement, and it's still very special anytime you get to play for Kerry. You put so much work into it. You have to just be ready again for the next game because there's another good team looking to take you down then after that. So you can't be getting complacent or thinking you're better than you are because you're going to get knocked down straight away.